You may know Apache Kafka as a distributed messaging system. At the time that I'm recording this, it's a 7-year-old system, very broadly deployed, absolutely ubiquitous. If you want an open source distributed message queue, there's one place to go. If you build systems with Kafka, you're going to find some patterns repeating. There's going to be things like, hey, I've got this legacy relational database over there, or I've got this legacy Hadoop cluster, and I need to read things from that relational database, and I need to dump archival data into that HDFS cluster. These things are going to happen over and over and over again, and you'll find yourself writing little producer and consumer applications that do that work. They, in some relatively trivial way, read from some source system or write to some sink system and translate back and forth to a topic in the middle in Kafka. Well, Kafka Connect is a part of Apache Kafka that lets you do that in a standard way. We can find, in some cases, commercially supported connectors that can plug into Connect. There's a rich open source ecosystem of connectors too. This is basically a jar file that plugs into Connect, and then declaratively you can tell this cluster of Connect servers, hey, read from this database and produce new messages into this topic. Or when you see a new message in this topic, dump it into this Elasticsearch index. So all that stuff done for you without you having to do any coding yourself, and in a distributed, fault-tolerant, elastically scalable way. Kafka Connect is a pretty cool thing. I hope you'll come check it out.